There's nature all around us, and it's a beautiful morning for the forest kids to have fun together, pretending, playing, sharing, and exploring the woods. When you have this much outdoor space for play, there's plenty of room for creativity.
Look, that thing looks like a bug, but it's not.
It's free playtime. That's when the forest kids let their imaginations run wild. Trees make good swings when you tie branches to them with rope. That's a magical thing to do in the forest, too. It's so much fun swinging and climbing on trees. Ooh, what are these forest kids doing? He's using a hole punch to make holes in leaves. The leaves are for the fairy houses. The forest kids have been building little houses to create a magical world of make-believe. If tiny creatures arrive in the forest, their magic might change the world. So the forest kids are working together to build them some homes. The leaves will be placed inside the fairy houses. Everyone is gathering sticks and rocks to help build the little houses. You can add whatever you want. It's all about using your imagination. One of the best places to build a fairy house is against the trunk of a big tree. That's because woodland creatures are tiny and they live close to the ground. Some of the forest kids are searching for frogs and toads under logs. This toad is fast. A hammer made of wood found in the forest? That's neat. So is a big web.
Where's that giant spider?
Wow! Pine, fir, and spruce trees have a special way to spread their seeds. They have cones. Cones keep the tree's seeds safe. You can stick fallen pine cones onto the trees with sap. It's sticky, like chewing gum. It helps the trees stay healthy. Pine cones can stay on a tree for more than 10 years before they drop to the ground. That's a very long time.
What's that?
It's important to be respectful of the woods and creatures that live here. The forest is their home. Follow the paths, don't take pieces of the woods to your house, and never leave trash behind. Here come the toddlers. These are the youngest forest kids out for a woodland walk. They're ready to explore. What shall we do in the forest today? Everyone loves playing in the outdoors. And someone has the giggles. It's time to explore with their magnifying glasses. Magnifying glasses make things look bigger, so you can see them better. What kind of things are the toddlers finding in the forest?
Tadpole.
Can you see him crawling? Does he move fast or slow?
These little forest kids are looking for bugs and slugs and other tiny woodland creatures.
want to touch him? No, you just want to look?
I'm gonna touch it.
Okay.
There's a spider.
Where did the spider go?
These toddlers have found a hole in the forest floor. The earth inside the hole is soft and squishy. Oops! Someone has lost a shoe.
Use your magnifying glass and you can look. He is big. He was all curled up and now he's all stretched out. Yeah, do you see the slug in through there? You can see it much bigger.
What a wonderful first day in the forest for these little ones. Where do you find magic in the woods? Under a log? On top of a stump? On the ground? In the trees? Magic is everywhere, as long as you use your imagination. See you next time.